So the first thing you're going to want to do is to finger press a little bit, just about 1/4 of an inch. And then you're going to fold that, do it once, and then you're going to finger press it over just one more time. Just a little bit. And you stick that under the presser foot just like that. And you lower your needle first. Then you lower your presser foot. And you're going to do, 5 or 6 stitches. I'll back stitch a couple times. And you want to lower your needle again, raise your presser foot, and you're going to work this fabric up and into the curve so that it will roll and fold as it's sewing. Lower your presser foot and then begin sewing. You want to go slow. The key is to get the right amount of fabric folded over. Not too much and not too little. If you get too much, then it will fold too much over and it will kind of twist and turn. If you get too little, then you won't catch it and it won't stitch it down in place. This is a new narrow hemmer and it's a 1/4 inch. And it's a little bit easier to do than the original vintage one because the learning curve is a little easier. So this is the front and this is the back, and you can see that it folded and pressed it and stitched it all in one motion.